Hi, I'm Helen from Chitter Chatter Craft, and I'm going to show you today how you can insert a zipper. So for example, if you wanted to put a cushion cover with a zip, you want to insert the zip, this is how you could do it. Or if you wanted to make a bag, this is also the method we'd use to insert the zip. Now if you like hearing about sewing tips and how-to videos, then do hit our subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up as well if you like it, and then you'll be updated when we upload new videos. Okay, here's how we do it. So we're going to insert a zipper now as if you were putting it into a cushion, or if you wanted to make a little zippered makeup bag or something. Okay, you take your fabric, you have it right side up, and then you take your zipper and with the pull, have that facing downwards onto your fabric. Okay, then we're going to pin just the zipper up against the edge of the fabric. Okay, now you may want your zip to go all the way to the edge, or if you don't, you could start sewing at the beginning here and then onto the zipper, but actually it's fine just to start at the beginning of the zipper, and then when you create your seams, you could then sew the end part together. Right, so we're just going to insert the zipper, and so we have it pinned. I'll just take it to the machine. Okay, I've attached my zipper foot here, and I've set it onto the left side, attach it to the left side, as I'm going to sew down the right side of the zipper, and that will allow the zipper foot to sit to the right of where the teeth are. Now another thing to make life a little bit easier is I'm going to just open the zipper short way, and then I'm going to line up the zipper with the edge of the fabric, and then sew a couple of back stitches to keep it in place, and then I can start sewing. Now be careful of the metal part of the beginning of the teeth, just so that it doesn't get caught on the foot. So once you do that, you can start sewing. And when you approach the zipper pull, just make sure your needle is all the way into the zipper at the lowest point, and then lift the presser foot arm to bring that off the zip. Then you can pull the zipper back shut so that it goes past the point where you've been sewing, and then pop the foot back down, and you can carry on. So you can see now I've used a white thread so that it shows up. If I fold the zipper back, you can see that we now have a nice neat finish for our zipper. So if you were making a bag, say for example, we can then get our second piece of fabric, and we have it right side up. I'm just going to trim my threads here in a second, just so that they don't get caught in my machine when I'm doing the next lot of sewing. Now this time, with your zip folded back so that this is our right side, we're going to turn it over so that again the zipper pull is facing down. Now line up your fabric at the sides, and then what we need to do is line up our zipper with the top edge of the fabric here, and then we're going to pin it in place. So we just pop a couple couple of pins in. There we go. Now this time I'm starting at the bottom of my zip. You can start at the top, but I like to just keep everything on my left. So I'm just going to start at the bottom and just do my couple of back stitches. Now you want to try and sew the same distance from the center of the zip, just to keep a nice finish. Now, as my needle's down all the way to the bottom, I'm just going to lift my presser foot and then open the zipper and then finish off, push presser foot back down and then my backward stitch. Okay. Oops. Then if you open it out, you can see we have our zip ready. And then you press this side. Obviously be careful if you have a plastic zip. If you want a nice neat finish, then you can top stitch along the edges as well, so that it looks nice and finished. So that's how we can insert a zip between two pieces of material. Well, that's how you insert your zip. Watch out for our other videos on how to use other methods of inserting zips. You can catch some at our YouTube channel below, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well if you enjoyed the video. Happy sewing!